Jimmy Neidhart against Bad News Allen. 1 fall, 1 hour. Neidhart in that ring at 268. Allen at 252. Neidhart has been dominating. Jimmy Neidhart doing a lot of pacing. Trying to get set for Allen's return to the ring. Bad News is not in a hurry, is he? Turned him. Bear hug. He's got the bear hug on him. He's squeezing. However, Allen manages to gouge his way on out of there. Been a very solid fight. Big headbutt. Neidhart in trouble for the first time in the fight. Bad News Allen flinging him into that corner. Moving in on the 10-minute mark. It's 1 fall, 1 hour. Allen looking very cocky right now. We have often seen Neidhart get into dire difficulty, finally decide that he's taken enough. He can still explode. Crowd trying to encourage Neidhart. It's all Allen at the moment. They gotta go up top. Oh, yeah! Here's Neidhart. Neidhart, beautiful drop kick at close range. Slaps it in there again, and down goes Allen. Neidhart looking very strong, jams him into the corner. Whoop! The referee got jammed in there by Neidhart. Hathaway is knocked down. What happens here? Neidhart with a right-hand shot. They're jamming away at each other in mid-ring.
10 minutes, go on. 10 minutes.
We're at the 10-minute mark. Hathaway getting up slowly now. He got hit solidly in the midsection. I don't know if he can move out of there. Who's this? Well, just a minute. We got a whole bunch of guys suddenly in there. Everybody going into the ring, going after Bad News Allen to break it up. And they're pulling him apart in the corner. The referees seem to be totally unable to continue. And so they're going to wipe it out.